Forgotten username recovery failed on current fix. You try to log into your current account, click forgot username, and suddenly nothing works. Maybe it says your account can't be found, or the recovery email never arrives. It's frustrating, but here's the truth most people don't realize. Current doesn't use a traditional username system at all. Your login credentials are based on your registered email or phone number. So when recovery fails, the issue is almost always with which email or number you're entering. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Open your inbox and search for any old emails from Current, like Welcome to Current or Transaction Alert. The email address that received those messages is your login. That's your key to getting back in. Next, return to the app or website and click Forgot Password instead of Forgot Username. Enter that same email and Current will send you a reset link. Once you reset your password, you can log in immediately. If you don't see the reset email, check your spam or promotions folders, sometimes it ends up there. Still can't access it? Then your best move is to contact Current support team directly. You can reach them by emailing support Current, CAM, or through the in-app chat if you're still logged in on another device. Provide your full name, phone number, and any linked card details so they can verify your identity and restore access. Make sure you're also using the official Current app or site. Some users get errors because they're on an outdated or third-party link. Always confirm you're on Current.com. In short, when username recovery fails on Current, the fix is simple. Use your correct email or phone number, reset your password, and verify with support if needed. Once you do that, your access will be restored and your account back to normal in minutes.